Okay, what I did, I got in there and cut down the dandelions and stuff. What I'm going to do is get in there and scrape it down, and I'm going to put the landscape fabric that I have over there in. I have the filter working. I got to put the cap back on. I sealed everything. I'm going to shut it off. I just wanted to see if it worked and to see if it's leaking. So I'm going to let it dry and then check it out tomorrow. But I wanted to show everybody that it's done. And I got the debris out from the under the bridge. We'll put this in the pail. What we got to do is so we got some more stuff. Everything's blowing around. We got to secure everything. Tonight I will show you what I got for the new flower boxes for the deck. This came off too. So tomorrow we'll scrape out the dandelions and we'll plant. And we'll put this back and we can spray this green, the lighthouse, let that dry. You see over here, I had to seal that, and I want to let it dry good. So I'm going to shut it down for tonight, and I see no places it leaking yet. I checked all my fittings. No water. No water. I used some Flex Seal and sealed the inside. Put a washer in there. And I want to make sure that it's not leaking. We take a cloth or a paper towel and we go underneath and see there's still a little bit, but it's not leaking. So we got to make sure that it's dry, and then we check it later. And this one's not leaking. It was leaking from here, but it's not leaking anymore. It was leaking in here and over here, and it's not. This is all dry. That's where I put the Flex Seal, so it may be working. And here's my little boat that will go on a little dock. As you can see, I did make headway over here. We'll put this little boat over here, and we'll set up the boats and everything else on the dock. What we can do is clean up. Now, this out. Take this in with us. I can move this out of the way. It's lit to leak again. From the same place, so that I know that it works. I see it. I know that it works. So I'm going to shut it down and put more stuff around it so that it doesn't leak, and let it dry and check it out tomorrow. But I wanted to show you that it was running. Let's see if it's leaking. I'm checking it. I just saw a drop of water come out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some more Flex Seal on it and come out tomorrow and see what happens. So I'm going to shut it down now. And I'm going to get some more Flex Seal and I'm going to seal it some more. I think it will work. So that's it. This area was cleaned up. Got to get in here, clean up everything tomorrow. Clean all this out and everything. What I'm going to do to clean out all this, I'm going to do is put my frog back on the bridge. There we go. And we'll set the other frogs and stuff up. And you see over there, the landscape fabric, it pulled itself away, and that's where the stuff was growing. So what I'm going to do is cut all that down and put new landscape fabric on it and put that rock stuff up around it, and then cover this area as well. And then the lighthouse is going to go right here, and it's going to cover that as well. So for right now, we're going to leave this like this, and we're going to put the stuff back so that predators don't get into it. I know they can't, but we don't want them to get the fish. So that's it. There we go. And I'm going to put some more Flex Seal around it, and we'll see. Hopefully that will work. And we'll clean up this tomorrow. And I want to show you the greenhouse. You see the grass is growing. We'll get rid of all those dandelions too. This is going nice and thick. We'll shut down the greenhouse now. Show you that everything is growing nicely. These plants blew over from the wind, but they're fine. As you can see, they're fine. And they're all moist. That's doing well. All my seeds are coming up now, even the squash. So we have summer squash, we have a little bit of everything, and we'll be planting this week. And also my tomato rocket is not growing, but I had got some tomatoes, and I'm going to plant Grandma Lynn's seeds. And in here we have some growth, and over here we have some growth. You see them? Those are flowers. So put this away. I got a new one, and we'll close down the greenhouse for tonight. That's our neighbor. Kids are out. It's a little cool. So we'll plant our seeds, flowers, and everything tomorrow. Let me get this in there. There we go. Okay, greenhouse is sealed up. We're going to clean up my mess. We got to put the hose away. Make sure that's off. That's off. We'll put the hose away, and we'll end it. Let's see what the temperature is now. And this week we're going to order the canopy. I'm going to go with the awning type canopy. It's going to come to about here. All right, it'll be in here. From here, it won't be bothering this because it'll be in front of this. And got enough space there, but we will measure before we order it. And then it will go right to the end of the deck to here, and it will overhang. It'll be about 6 feet, I think, at one point, or 10 feet, 9 feet. I think it's 9 and then 8. It's 9, 8 over here, and then 9 over here on this one. This one here. This is 9 feet. So that's perfect. That's over 12 feet, and the temperature right now is, let's see, it's 57 degrees with the wind chill. So that's it. Like, comment, subscribe. Look at the beautiful sunset. We'll get a picture of that in the front of the house. Live streaming tonight at 8. I will see everybody then. Stephen F. signing off.